All right, so I got a dip powder nail kit from Amazon.com. Brand is AzureBeauty. This is my first time doing a dip polish, so this should be interesting. So inside the box, it's gonna come with basically file, 2 extra brushes, and then a little color kind of picture that tells you if you put 1 or 2, 3 layers, the same powder will make it come darker. It comes with instructions. This is the brush they use to brush off the excess powder after dipping. This is the little plate you can add the powder into. These are the 4 little color dips that you can mix to make different colors. It's smaller than I had thought. I thought they would be bigger. And basically I popped them out from behind. And here you have the base, the activator, and the top coat. So basically you want to make sure that you get everything on your nail bed off, completely clean the cuticles, right? So here is the instruction manual. It tells you, step by step, but I didn't think it was good enough. So I ended up looking at some YouTube channels and some TikTok channels. People basically have done this before to get their kind of input on how to do this the first time around. Because like I said, it was my first time. So I had purchased some other things that did not come with it, but I think should have, like a buffer, cuticle pushers and things like that. So these are the ones I also bought from Amazon. Post a link. So this is the one it shows you in the pictures. It's the metal one, but I read it's bad for your nail bed because it can scratch it. So a lot of people were buying some glass cuticle pushers, which I'll buy for next time because I think that's really important. If anything is on your nail bed, it's not going to stick and it's probably going to peel off earlier than expected. And the whole point of this is to stay on for weeks, right? So I was just dipping it straight into the powder because I'm the only one using it. So sanitary wise, it doesn't really matter to me. I was trying to check, the color difference. So I put 1 nail for just glitter. I used the darker color one time, realized it was too dark. So I went back to the lighter color. I did about 3 dips. So make sure you're, tapping your finger to get the extra brush the powder off. You're not going to want to brush it until it's dry. I learned that the first time because it messed it up. This is the end result. It took me about 2.5 hours to do. It was a huge mess because I didn't use the brush, like the powder plate it gave you. And so basically I was grabbing onto each little container, and when the powder was on the side of it, it would slip out of your hands and just fly, and I wasn't learning my lesson, obviously, hence the powder everywhere. But it was a big mess. Overall, it looks good. A little, practice makes perfect, so I'll have to try it out. But I would recommend it. I hope it stays for weeks because before my gel at home polish without the UV light did not last that long. So we'll see.